Okay, today we're going to be cleaning them up some more and painting. I got some really cool colors from Amazon. It's called Shuttle Art. And when I opened it, I noticed, okay, so instead of like a seal, it has these little plastic cups inside. So that's why it wasn't coming out. Anyway, we're gonna start painting all the bee boxes. Okay, so these boxes never got the first coat of paint, and you can see the new wood and the weathered wood. This is the super, which is shorter, but it's for extra honey that the bees make. That's why they call it a super. It's for the extra honey. So I'm just going to paint the first coat with the all-purpose kills. Once it dries, it should be perfectly safe on the exterior of the box for the bees. Okay, so I chose this paint for the bee boxes because it's outdoor acrylic paint and it came in really cute colors at a great price. So here is my old algae covered rusty bee boxes. And I've already started with some pink. I'm trying to make different colors, so we are adding a little purple so that we can have a pretty lilac periwinkle. Not really, that's a lilac. Periwinkle would have blue, pinkish blue, purpley blue, that's right. Okay, so we're ready to move on with some color here. This is gonna be satisfying. Ooh, pretty. And this time, instead of just white, I'm doing colors. Go ahead and add some primer over here on this algae so it can be drying. It'll kill the algae. Trust me, we don't need any bee snobs. And it's non-toxic. Our bees do just fine with it. I've already tightened up all these corners, tongue and groove, or wait, dovetailed. I've checked the racks, are ready for the pretty paint. And then to get them out in the field, under the tree in the shade, close to the pond, so that they have access to water, and then we'll have very, very, very happy bees. The bees will be moving into a fresh, clean box to build their hive. We'll check the frames. Just kidding. Ha ha. I hope nothing comes flying out of there. How's the reception? Ooh, oh, that's just a regular wasp. Oopsie. Oh, look. They look like little aliens. A bunch of little alien faces. So this would be an example of a thief, a bandit, a predator, a pest that got inside the beehive. Some sort of wasp or hornet. And they built one on the other side too. Okay, we're starting with orange. Yes. Okay, moving right along. I'm gonna add green into the mix. Actually, put it up here. Okay, let's see what. Okay, we're gonna add green now. Ooh. The idea is just to make the boxes weatherproof. So, and you know, we're using water-based, non-toxic, outdoor rated acrylics on top of the primer. So yeah. This is kind of a teal because the beauty of acrylics is the layers of color dry so fast you can just keep using the same palette. You don't have to rinse your palette. You just put your colors on top of each other. Just don't put green on top of red too quickly because then you'll wind up with mud color or orange and blue or purple and yellow. Anything opposite the color wheel. You don't want to layer too quickly because if acrylics, it'll just turn into mud. Turn into a neutral, like a gray or a brown or just something really ugly. But this acrylic is going to be really long lasting, I think. It's very thick. I love it. I'm going to leave a link in the description because if you're looking to paint with acrylics on a large scale, I wish this was around, or you know, I don't even think Amazon was. I think my hair just hit that blue wet paint, but I think it's dry enough. That's okay. Anyway, Amazon wasn't a real thing back in 2000 when I started my mural business, but man, I really like this paint. So, like I said, if you're looking for a good quality, thick acrylic that's good for indoors or outdoors painting. Like on a fence, this would be perfect. And if you clear coat it with like a deck paint, a clear coat afterwards, it'll last as long as the wood will last. Okay, so we're working towards some beautiful pastel that the bees are gonna love. We just really want to use the paint up and have fun with the colors. Okay, so there we go. We've got one third of them. Some of them are still outside. Yay! I think they look good so far. Hi Sebbies! As promised, I am working on the bee boxes. I'm gonna turn it around. Okay, I mixed up some pastels. Ooh! So we're going from grimy, rusty algae to it's gonna be so pretty.